Hi guys, here 28 divided by 7 is 4 times this 2 minus 3. Here 4 times negative 1. Now 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. This answer is wrong. As per the order of operations, this answer is wrong. Now we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule to solve this problem in correct way. This is a bracket. Here M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, here S stands for subtractions. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority, addition subtractions are equal priority. We have to follow here left to right rule in the problem to complete this action. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here we have division, multiplication and subtraction. Here this division and multiplication is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to complete this task before this subtraction because this multiplication divisions are higher priority. In this we have two actions. One is division and other one is multiplication. Which is first? For this we have to follow here left to right rule. Left to right is this action. So this is 4 times 2, this 2 minus 3. Now we have multiplication and subtractions. This is a higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to complete this action before this subtraction. So this is 8 minus 3. Now 8 minus 3 is 5 is the correct answer.